Hello, in this Java programming video, we are going to look at passing in values to functions. So in the previous video, if you have not checked out the previous video, which was covering, just a basic example on methods, functions, feel free to check that out. Okay, so we've got these couple of functions right here. Methods, functions, the same thing. So just to make sure that there's no confusion. So we got these two functions right here, which are obviously very awesome. What we can actually do is pass a value in to these functions. So if, for example, I'll do it with the void, what we can do in between these brackets, any values we want to pass in, we need to specify the data type. So I'm going to just say, I'll say float, change it up a bit, float, then you name your variable. So let's just say var1, and that's it. And obviously this is, given an error because it is saying it can't find a method called function1 that takes no, values, but this one does. So if we put in 6.5, and we need to put in f at the end, so it's a float, still saying 5. That's because we haven't done anything here. We do var1 now and run it. We get 6.5, so that's pretty darn cool. We can extend it further, so you can have more than one value. You can have as many as you want, really. So if I put like comma, then again you specify the data type. It does not have to be the same data type, bear in mind. So I'm just going to keep it as the same box. I'll recommend experimenting and using a different one. So if I say var2, in here I'm going to do var1 times var2. And I need to pass in a second value, so let's say 55.0. So this should be 32 and a half. So 32.5 has been printed out. So that's how you pass in values. Honestly, there really isn't much to it than that. Because you could pass as many values as you want. Doesn't matter what it is, any data type. Just name it the way you normally would. And then you just use it here. It's really, that's it. Obviously you could have it in here as well. And as an extra task, what I'm going to set for you is I want you to create like a calculator sort of little application where I want you to have 4 methods. One's called multiply, one's called addition, one's called subtraction, and I think you guessed the last one, division. Each one takes in 2 values and he just performs that operation. So he multiplies the numbers together, or he subtracts the 2 numbers, so the first take away the second, or he adds them, or he do the division for the first one, take away the second one, and then call each one of those methods. Then go a step further, and for the division method, try and prevent division by 0. Give you a little clue, you'll need something like an if statement for that. But I'll leave that to you. If you have any questions regarding that, feel free to reach out. And I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome Java video.